The process begins as workers carefully capture the monkeys using large nets. The second step involves placing the monkeys into secure cages. Next, the workers carefully load the monkey cages onto the transport truck. With the monkeys loaded, the truck moves toward the factory. Upon arrival, the workers carefully unload the monkey cages at the factory. Inside the factory, the workers carefully unlock and open the monkey cages. The workers carefully feed the monkeys while inspecting their health and condition. Inside the factory, the workers carefully clean the monkey cages to maintain hygiene. Within the factory, workers closely monitor the monkeys' diet and overall health. When a baby monkey is born inside the factory, the workers gently care for it. The mother monkey observes and tends to her baby, providing care and attention. Inside the factory, the workers monitor the monkey's weight to maintain their health. Inside the factory, the workers provide excellent care for the young monkeys. Inside the factory, the workers conduct daily health and dental checks on the monkeys. Inside the factory, the workers carefully dry the monkeys' bodies.
Keep them spaced. We're almost through the batch. Watch the steam. Moisture level 3.5. Looking good. Keep them moving.
The wool on the outside is fantastic quality, but look at this lining. It's so soft and warm. Honestly, the best part of the jacket. Highly recommend.
I'm telling you, this distressed leather look is everything right now. The quality on this light brown jacket is unmatched for the price.
The stitching on this piece is incredible. It molds perfectly to the body, giving you that iconic silhouette.
Please stand behind the yellow line. The express